Hello and welcome back to Tools for Sparks. Jordan here, and welcome back to all you tool lovers. If you're new to the channel, thanks for watching and you're very welcome. I hope you'll subscribe to the channel so that you'll get regular video updates from me, because I post videos here every week about tools for electricians and other tradesmen and craftsmen. So today I'm talking about this Knipex key set. And as an electrician, I often come across situations where I find an unusual key that I need to get into some kind of enclosure. Well, this has every key that you'll ever need. So it's a bit like a master key for electricians. And that's why I've got myself one of these, because it will be able to just easily attach to my tool bag. And I will have all the various keys that I need. So it's called the TwinKey by Knipex. And as always with Knipex, they make quality tools, German made, and you're never going to be let down by the quality of their tools. One of the things I like about this is it's got this little strap here which you can use to attach it and just hang it off your tool bag or something like that. And then you've got all the various keys here which are labelled up. So you've got these triangular keys, two different sizes. You've got the square ones, two different sizes. Then you've got this, which is useful for a lot of different types of enclosures. You've got the standard meter box key. Obviously that's the triangular one that we use most as electricians in the UK. But this one we come across quite a lot as well for outdoor enclosures. And this one is one that, if I'm honest, I usually end up putting a screwdriver in it. But it's got a little nodule in the middle and you can end up snapping off the nodule with the screwdriver if you're not careful. So having the proper keys is really, really useful. And it just doesn't take up much space, so it's quite handy to just have this on your person at all times. It separates like that, so you can easily split it up and use the one that you want and then click it back together, and it's just magnetized. So it magnetizes really nicely and just sticks together like that. Just got to get the get it on the right way, because there we go, like that. So it magnetizes. It's got this little Phillips and flathead bit on it as well. I'm not quite sure why, what that's all about, but I guess it's just to give you extra options. So you can stick it into this square one here, and you can just use that to screw and unscrew. It's got a pH2 and a 1x7 flat bit on there, so you can just use that to undo screws if you need to. I mean, that is probably a little bit of a gimmick, to be honest, but hey, why not? You know, it's always useful. This does undo, I believe, so you can just untwist this like that, and it will come undone. There we go. So if you need to, you can just remove that completely and separate this into two separate tools. But I quite like the way it just magnetizes together and is really, really easy to keep everything together in one place. So this is going to be another addition to my tool bag that I will no doubt use fairly regularly. And it's going to save me having always to fluff around in my tool bag trying to find my meter box key or something like that. So it's a good little bit of kit. Let me know in the comments if you've got one. Do you enjoy using it? Would you buy one of these? There's always a link in the description of my videos so you can buy one of these for yourselves. And if you've enjoyed this video, hit a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, because we post regular videos all about tools for electricians and other craftsmen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.